Hey, it's the old man here, and there's Belle. Hey, Bella. She knows where the fire's at. Yeah, I'm out here in the derelict shop doing a car repair. It's still standing. We had 6 inches of snow, and it held up okay. Got a nice skylight. The sun was out a few minutes ago, briefly. So, yeah, just staying warm here by the fire. Got a nice hot fire going in the old Montag wood stove. I'm going to find a picture of this to show you what it looked like when I first put it in. Made in Portland, Tacoma, and Seattle. Yeah, it's doing good. Got this nice chimney repair going on. You know, some people might say that's kind of sketchy, old man, but that's as close as I get to living on the edge these days. And the way things work anyway, if there was a hole in this chimney repair, once it's warmed up, it sucks air in, not coming out. See, there's a pinhole right there. And there's drawing air into that, so we should be in good shape. Got a fire extinguisher. And yes, I used heavy-duty tinfoil for that job. There was already couple pieces on there. I put an extra band on there just to make sure. So here's the project. Subaru 2.2. The water pump, which is this thing, needs to be replaced. So you got to take the belt off. Might as well replace that. And once you got that off, you got oil seals here that's leaking, and one here that's leaking, and one there that's leaking, so etc., etc. Wow. Tell me what song that came from. So yeah, keeping busy. Yeah, it's nice and warm in here. Yeah, let's just stretch. But it's warm within 4 feet of that, and I'm real close, so this is not a bad setup. So, Belle, what do you think? Huh? What do you think? Is it close to dinner time? If you hear that other dog barking in the background, that's Rosie. Dinner time is about 2:30, and it's, I think, 2:05. So she's up there trying to push the old man along. Good luck. Well, she did it. It was used to be 4:30. So, yeah. 30 years ago, this was a booming place. We'll have a big cleanup one day. Got all the parts. Got a good light in here. Paper towels. Fire extinguisher. We're good to go. Even laid down new carpet for the job. Yeah, I am the master of low bid, boys and girls, so we'll keep her going, and we'll see you soon. One last thing, though, low bid. When I buy parts, I don't go low bid. I would gladly pay a higher price for quality, because there's a lot of junk stuff out there nowadays. So, live and learn, right? Hey, see you later, girl. Bill. Speak. You okay? Can you speak? Oh. Forget it. You guys take care. Stay warm.